RDDT stock analysis and RDDT stock prediction. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Ultimately, Reddit is very good. You know, I quite like it. I'm looking to just double down and buy more. I mean, we having done 40,000 videos and more, so a lot of receipts in the Discord regarding Reddit. I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Let me show you the before of this. Right, so this was made 3 days back. At the time was $100 on the dot, and since then, I mean, we've done good to 110. That's the swing, which is still, I'm still gonna keep on the chart, but like intraday, like I'm talking Friday, why something we can do is once if I do see the price correcting down a bit and giving me some sort of a confirmation, because you know the market is fractal, there's nothing stopping me from looking at the same exact thing on the higher time frame. So I'm gonna continue to keep you updated, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.